Hello, have you decided what you're going to be growing this year? One of the things I might try again is growing sweet potatoes. I've tried it once and it was an abject failure. I think here in the United Kingdom it's not warm enough and it can be too wet. And so starting sweet potatoes off is fairly simple really. You put the sweet potato half submerged in some water, it grows some shoots, you take them off, they've got some roots on them, you plant them and you're growing sweet potatoes. That's the easy bit, that's the easy bit. It's actually getting some potatoes at the end of the day to harvest some sweet potatoes, and I never managed that. So yeah, we got the slips, we produced the slips, we grew the slips on, we got sweet potato plants, but no sweet potatoes. And I'm putting it down to the climate. Not warm enough, too wet at times. But the reason I'm considering it now is that I've had a comment against one of my videos from a lady in the United States who wants to give sweet potatoes a go in containers. She says she lives in an area of the States that has a similar climate to we do in the UK. She told me the zone, I can't quite recall what that was. And she was asking have I grown them? Well, my answer was yeah, but not successfully. And I explained the reasons why. And he also said that as far as I'm aware, sweet potatoes are imported into the United Kingdom, that we don't grow any of our own sweet potatoes, and that's perhaps why. But as I was thinking about sending that reply, it dawned on me that, yeah, hold on, wait a minute. We might grow sweet potatoes in the United Kingdom. Perhaps it's just the case that I don't know about it. Because I can't grow them, doesn't mean other people can't grow them. Maybe we do grow sweet potatoes in the United Kingdom. And if you are in the United Kingdom and you've grown sweet potatoes and you've grown them successfully and harvested sweet potatoes, I'd really like you to send me a link to a video that you've posted, and that might convince me to give it another go. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to do a bit of fact checking, so I'd go on YouTube and have a look to see if anybody was growing sweet potatoes in containers in the United Kingdom. So that was my ploy, to have a look at that. And the first video I came to was how to grow sweet potatoes in containers. Hey, well that's a start. How to grow sweet potatoes in containers. Right, let me go and get some props from the homegrown veg rack. Let me get you these props. Okay, serious question. What are these? What are these? Well, they're certainly not sweet potatoes, are they? They are certainly not sweet potatoes. These are ordinary potatoes. They're not sweet potatoes. Right, let me cut you to some screen grabs that I've taken from this video that's currently on YouTube. How to grow sweet potatoes in containers. Then come back to me. What was all that about? Come on, come on. Sweet potatoes. What was all that about? I don't like it when channels are misleading. I don't like gardeners being misled, new gardeners being misled. If you're an experienced gardener, you won't be, but if you go to that channel and look at that video, you'll definitely be misled. Come on. Sweet potatoes. Now that particular channel, I've had a run-in with that channel before, because they actually took a screen grab from one of my videos and totally misrepresented it. Totally. Check this out. Okay, so that was celery that I grew from seed. They took a screen grab, put some text on it and said that was regrown store-bought celery. What a load of baloney. Totally not true. Totally not true. Sweet potatoes, totally not true. So I got absolutely nothing from that video other than duff advice, bad advice. So I want to wind this video up now, and what I'd like you to do is, if you've actually grown sweet potatoes in the United Kingdom and you've got a video posted on YouTube that shows you harvesting sweet potatoes, can I put those in those comedy type things, sweet potatoes. If you've got a video up on YouTube that shows you harvesting sweet potatoes in the United Kingdom, send me a link. I want to see it. I want to see that video. If it can be done and you've done it, I want to give it another shot. Send me some advice, tell me how to do it, and I'll give it another shot. But failing that, I won't be growing sweet potatoes this year, only because I don't think I can pull it off in the United Kingdom. I don't think anybody can pull it off in the United Kingdom. Right, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hey, sweet potatoes, come on. Gordon Bennett. Sweet potatoes. Man, give me strength. In fact, don't give me strength, give me a cup of tea. This is my strength. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to click the like button. If you're not a subscriber, be a subscriber. Click that subscribe button. You'll get the truth at this channel. You'll get the truth at Homegrown Veg. Honest gardening. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out. Sweet potatoes.